Hello Homo sapiens! Today I'm going to be explaining to you what the difference is between a bacteria and a virus. So, what is a bacteria? A bacteria is a single-celled organism, usually microscopic, but there are some bacteria that we can see with the naked eye. A bacteria is a microscopic organism that replicates itself using cellular fission. That means one cell becomes two cells, and two become four, four become eight, eight becomes 16, and so on. So that process keeps repeating, and that's how the bacteria are still living. Most bacteria do not harm humans, but instead they just exist in the soil as decomposers. So a lot of the bacteria population are completely harmless. However, viruses are much smaller than bacteria. Viruses can only survive inside of their hosts, and a majority of viruses, they harm humans. So a lot of viruses, such as the coronavirus or the poliovirus, harms humans. The viruses, the way they reproduce is they inject genetic material into a cell, and the cell is forced to reproduce the virus inside, and then the virus amount inside the cell will grow so large that the cell cannot hold it, and it pops like a water balloon when you overfill it. And that's how viruses are still alive. But how do viruses spread? Viruses spread through water droplets. Like when you sneeze or when you cough, microscopic water droplets spread through the air and infect everyone. So, what's the difference? A large physical difference is that a bacteria is much larger than a virus, about 3 times as large as an average virus. And a virus is really small. They are very small so that they can infect cells. And a behavioral difference is that a bacteria do not need a host to survive. However, a virus can be considered as a non-living organism outside of its host. However, inside of its host, that's when the viruses do their job. And that is the main physical and behavioral difference between bacteria and viruses. Goodbye!